أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وما كان هذا القرآن أن يفترى من دون الله ولكن تصديق الذي بين يديه وتفصيل الكتاب لا ريب فيه من رب العالمين.
This Quran could not have been produced by anyone other than Allah. In fact, it is a confirmation of what preceded it, and an elaboration of the book. There is no doubt about it. It is from the Lord of the universe,